That is insane. Good morning, everybody. C-Pop has had a mighty fall from $78 to $14. I ain't in a hurry to buy it. How about them apples? Hello, Mr. Green. Share your boy, actress. Ivan, it depends on what we're looking at. Good morning, everybody. We have MDIA on our radar this morning. We're watching coin if we get a pullback to the 240 level. Aaron is on our radar to see if this thing gets going again. We're going to be very small this morning. Let things set up. We had a horrible CPI number, but the market doesn't seem to care about that. It's transitory. Yes, Space is on our radar. Space hit our weekly level this morning, down $3 from here. I'll show you guys that early this morning. 36.70 was our weekly level. This morning, the stock got to 36.80. I missed it by 10 cents, but close enough. So maybe that was the bottom, short-term bottom in Space. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Good morning, Eric. So a bunch of stuff on our radar. We're not in a hurry. We're going to let things open. I don't see any reason to be running in and doing anything this morning. Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan had earnings, but Goldman Sachs is already coming in. Goldman Sachs, guys, no trade. Okay, that conference call is starting at 9:30. So no trade in Goldman Sachs until after their conference call comes out. Yep. I told you, what did I tell you about these things? A lot of times they open and then they just break down for the rest of the day. So I'm glad we didn't run in and do anything in those things, because this is what happens with these things. No matter how good the numbers are, sometimes these things just bust right through and go down for the rest of the day. So no hurry in any of that. I think AMC breaks 40. It's going to 35. Maybe we can look for some options in that. Yeah, CCIV has the thing today. All right, we can keep our eyes on that. See if it makes a move. Let the madness begin. Whoop, whoop. Jim Cramer is sick about what's happening in Boeing. Who gives a crap? He must be sicker about what's happening in DD. Yeah, OSAT's on the radar, guys. We'll see if it sets up for an early trender. This could be a good one today. Again, we're going to let everything open, see what they do. Not in a hurry to run. Give things some time. And Nokia, we're not going to trade. Tesla, look how beautifully Tesla bounced off the 200 EMA, guys. Look at that. $682. Went up $5. Yes, Blinn is on our radar this morning also. Let's see if these holds these levels right in here. 830 was a little spot, which it bounced off of. So already skimmed 400 on OSAT. Nice. Good. Excellent. 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 Watching Bill. Baba's up 10%. I don't think so. Baba's not up 10%. No. Let's sell a little MDIA if we get to 1350, guys. We just bought some at 13. See if it could take off from here. Maybe. It's all over the place. OSAT. Wow. Yeah, I mean, $12 is a good place to get back into OSAT if we get a pullback. Guess we got to try that early, right, guys? $12 OSAT, small. We'll see if it sets up in OSAT. I love you so. Marin? Maybe 1420 Marin, but it's early. Space, let's look. Long above what? 4160. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Which one bounced? Marin? We saw a little Tesla higher day. So a little MDIA, guys, if we get to 1350. And I'm just holding a little bit of this. AMC, Tesla. AMC spiked up, spiked down. I sell a little more MDIA if we get to 1380. If. Tesla higher day. OSAT hit 12. Oh, guys, did we buy OSAT? Yeah, we bought some OSAT at 12. You guys sell it like 1250? 1240? MDIA just halted. We have 30 shares. OSAT, you got a couple of bucks. Good. MDIA halted down $5. Good trading. Well, we just sold MDIA much higher at like $13. MDIA is indicated at like $8. All right, we got to buy a little more at 8. We only got 20 shares. Baidu Baba, AMC. I don't know. How about we buy some 35 puts in AMC? I kind of like that. I like that. OSAT. Let's look. Let's wait on OSAT now. I'm not crazy about it. 1150 is a little spot, but I'm not crazy about it. Let's see what happens. Goldman Sachs. Yeah, we could buy a little Goldman at 372, right? Very small. I like it, though. Goldman Sachs. On their conference call, though, Goldman Sachs, right? It kind of just started. But 372 will be down $15. Let's do it small. $372. Good in and out of OSAT. Yeah, let's not run into Blinn or the other one. Works. Ripping up. Works if you like it, just buy a little. All right, let's see if Neg sets up for a trend trade. OSAT bounced again, so that was a false breakdown. Look at that. Holy crap. Holy crap in OSAT, guys. Could have been a little patient in that one. All right, no biggie. We'll look to buy it back on a pullback. OSAT. It just got halted. Up $1.50. There you go. There you go. Tesla upgrade, yes. All right, we ain't getting OSAT at 1150. Forget about that. You still in OSAP, Adam? Good. Take profits. Oh, you can. It's halted. It's not OSAP. OSAT. OSAT. Indicated 14 right now. So put orders out to sell it. Okay. Yeah, put orders out to sell it. 14, 15. Just have little bits out there at 14 and 15. Rich, you're in there too? Limit orders, guys. Wow, nice job, guys. Bunch of guys in the room are in this from $12. That's a beautiful thing. Marin running too. Oh, wow. Nice. Anyone get the Marin down there, guys? 1470? Holy mackerel. Boom. Rodrigo, you're in there too? Nice. Look how that hit our 65 EMA at 1470. Beautiful thing. Boom, chaka-laka laka. You got to take some profits, guys. Please. Well, you do what you want. But, Ken, you got it down there? Very nice. Got to take profits, guys, in these things. Please. This thing just went down $1. Be prudent. Dear Prudence. Yeah, have some orders out to sell. Too early for a Marin trend trade. No, not anymore. Marin's a short if we get to 1720. So, MDA got halted on the downside. It's down 31%. We'll see what Marin does from here. I mean, we got to like it on the buy side. On a pullback, though. You have 60 shares of MDIA. All right, it's indicated right here, 1150. So let's see what happens. Sell some over 12 if it gets there. Selling a little bit at 12 if we get there. Over 1250 put out. Sold some at 12. Put out 1250. All right, good. Yeah, buy a little bit back at 11. See what it does. All right. Marin might have halted. I don't know. Boeing far from moving average. I'm in Blinn. All right, Blinn looks all right. Blinn looks good. Why do halts happen? When a stock goes down more than 10%, a stock gets halted. Yeah, have your orders out to sell a little OSAT here. What's it looking indication? Let me look. 1410 right now. 14.10. Bought a little blend at 8.20. Let's take a look at blend. Nice. That looks all right, blend. All right, I'm gonna have a made some skins off blend. Gonna have an 11.50 stop in this MDIA. I don't like this thing. Take a tiny little loss. We only have 20 shares, but I don't like it if it breaks down from here. Me no like it. OSAT, you got out on the opening. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice job, guys. Guys crushed that thing. Boom chakalaka. Nice job. All right, we'll see what the next move is now. Right? I mean, we want to buy it back at like 12.50, no? Stop writing on my screen. MRIN touched 17.20. Let's look. Yeah, that was a short in MRIN at 17.20, right? I don't think it's shortable, though, is it? MRIN. Yeah, it is. Wow, that was a nice short of it. There you go. OSAT halted on the way down. You guys glad you sold OSAT? Hello? You guys okay? Thank you very much. Bulls, bears, and pigs, guys. Bulls, bears, and pigs. And that's why you get out of your trade. I don't care where it goes. Now it's indicated at 12.50. So let's put a bid at 11.90. Very small, 10 shares. And if it holds that, we can size up. 11.90, we're putting 10 shares out. And if it holds, we'll jump in more. Who knows with these stocks? Please, just trade them, right? That's all. They're trades. Nice grab and blend down there, guys. Kramer just called out OSAT as a pump and dump. Oh, good. It'll probably go up now. Yep, Marin's ripping from $14. Kramer is never writing anything, so F Kramer. I can't stand Kramer in any way, shape, or form. Did they take the short away in Marin? Let's see. Yep, of course they did. That's right. If it trades, it's a good stock. That's all I care about. That is it. That's all we care about. No, I can't short Marin either. MDIA's done. The bloom's off the rose in that one. That ain't doing anything. Nice grab and blend down there, guys. Very nice. Again, just take profits in anything, in everything. Trade, 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 trade. Another one that everybody got caught in CLNN. Maybe 14.25, but I think the bloom's off the rose in that one too. What do you think of them apples? Yeah, I wouldn't even bother anymore. Marin, we want to buy on a pullback. We'll see what OSAT opens again. MDIA's dead meat. Don't care. Snowflake. Apple. Apple was going down all day. Now it's at the highs again. But look at Apple at 143.50, guys. Early this morning, pre-market. Hit our pivot point. It's up $2. Wow. WORX. Nah, if you like WRX, just buy it and put it away. Short Apple? Let's look. It is stretching out here a little bit, Apple. I just hate ever shorting Apple, though. I mean, 145.80 will be a little stretched. Agreed. They don't care about the CPI. They don't. They don't give a crap as far as the market's concerned. They don't care. Thank you, RPass. I don't know how much you're going to get out of Apple short here. It is getting stretched, though, to the upside again. OSAT. Yeah, we're looking 1290 in OSAT right now. Pump and dump. There's 10 pump and dumps every single day. So, MDIA bounced a little bit, but it still looks very weak. GameStop, nice bounce. AMC. Whoa, AMC. Holy crap, guys. The hell was that? It just spiked up to 42, 200 EMA, and gave a beautiful trade. Look at that. Yeah, we got there a little late, Adam, Dana, but I would have liked that short for a trade, right? He just gave you 50 cents in 10 seconds. That would have been beautiful. Sick. Right? Look at that, guys. 70 cents straight down. Good for you, Space Ape. I love it. Excellent. That was a nice shorty. Marin. I mean, Marin's in a trend, right? So we can buy 1640 and 1580 Marin. OSAT opened. Take your profits in OSAT. You're probably in it lower, right? Whoa, how did we not get OSAT at 1190? Guys, what the F? It says it traded at 1170. Anyone get it at 1190? How do we not get it? I mean, I would have been out of it already. I don't like it now. But how's that possible? It said it traded at 1170. I mean, that's $1 trade. No, we had our orders out. That's BS. I mean, that's $1 they just took from us. How is it possible for it to go below our levels? No. That's bullshit. Bullshit. All right, Marin, what do we got? Small at 1620 and then 1580. I mean, they just took $1 out of our pockets, guys. I'm going to call them up when I have time. 1620, Marin. Yeah, they just took 100%. Yes. All right, we start Marin at 1620. We'll add at 1580 if we go in that direction. It's impossible. It went 20 cents below. All right, whatever, guys. There's nothing we can do about it. So it is what it is. Yes, I'm calling Peter. Oh, that's bull crap. I call BS on that. Yeah, Apple's not a good short. 147.20. We were all over Apple short. Putting that out. Yeah, whatever. I guess it's possible because none of us got in it. 147.20 Apple short. That I like. We are shorting Apple at 147.20. No, I did not want to short it there, Oliver. We said we did not want to short Apple there. All right, still like Marin if we get the pull back. CRTD for my Benzinga friends. Nope. Steve, you like that one? You buy it and put it away. Otherwise, no good. All right, Space Guys, 36.80, right? That's our daily. That'll be $2 below the moving average and the double bottom from this morning. Let's put a marker out. All right. Just a marker, 36.80. almost be far from moving average, but if it gets there, we'll start looking for far from moving average. Next spot in space is 35, guys. 35.25, which could be a spot to start a little swinger. What do you think of that? Right? Below that, we got 30, but 35 could be all right. Let's see how we get there, if we get there. Disney short, AMC. I don't know what all that means. AMC just gave $1 off the pivot point. AMC is still a short. Oh, we got a little Marin, guys. Okay, good. We want to add to that. MRIN. 1585 Marin we're going to add. If we go in that direction. Then we'll be in a full trend trade. We'll have our stop. Got 1585 and 1540. Yeah, you were right, Rick. Won't you marry me, Bill? I love you so. I always will. OSAT, 1170. Yeah, 1205 was a good spot in OSAT. Twitter. Yeah, Twitter just looks like a buy to me. Guys, let's give him a little Marin at 1650. If it gets there, try to get 30 cents on some. Won't you marry me, Bill? Pepsi, good earnings. I love you so. I always will. What is that? What? Yeah, we got some levels in space down there, but we're going to see if we get a far from moving average trade in space. Oh, my age. Coin pushing up. Coin. Yep, hitting a little resistance here, coin. But I like the 248 and change better. The short coin. Blinn setting up for a trend trade. Blinn. Yeah, I mean, Blinn hit that 780 level. That was spectacular. Wow. All right, we gave him a little Marin at 1650, guys. Good. All right, let's give him a little Marin at 1680. Pick off 50 cents if we get it. Can you explain what makes you buy in for a day trade? Yeah, Kevin, it's all about technicals. Every single thing we do is based on technical analysis. So, you know, we bought Marin on the 9 EMA, tried to add to it on the 15, you know, and if we get 50 cents out of the trade real quick, we'll just take it and move on to the next trade. But every single thing we do is based on technical analysis. That's it. Something's got to hit one of our lines in order for us to make a trade. So, guys, we'll have a 16 break-even stop now in Marin if we go back down. We will not turn that into a losing trade. I don't know where we got in, 1630? I don't remember. Zero fundamentals for day trading, guys. Correct. We don't care. We do not care about fundamentals while we're day trading. At all. You know, we do longer term trading also. So we have a mix of everything. A lot of people in my room, I'll help them get in their longer term trades. Here comes Blinn. Here comes Blinn. Here comes Speed Race. All right, Blinn, what do you got? 891 and 860. So you want to try a little Blinn at 860? That's probably good, right? Down from 994. EMAs, we use a 9 EMA, a 15 EMA, a 65 EMA, and a 200 EMA. Exponential. Now, you know what? I don't know if I want to add in Marin now. Let's try to keep around a 1630 stop. Maybe it's done. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we don't want to add. It got up to 1665. Microsoft, no red bar yet. Coin reversal. All right, let's flatten out Marin, break even. We'll look for another level. I'm not crazy about it here. Let's see what happens. EMA is moving day averages. That is correct. Apple, I still like to short at 147.20. We're good there. Space ain't happening. That'll be really stretched in Apple. 915, 65, and 200K. 915, 65, and 200. I'm going to invite everybody to come hang out in my room for the rest of the week after this. So be a little patient. Then we can talk when you get in the room. Wow, coin. Coin long for Momo above the 200 EMA. I cannot do that up $5. That's just a trade I can't do. I apologize, but I can't do it. 240 would have been nice, but I can't do it. No, not next week, Gavin, just this week. After this week, I'm not going to have any more visitors in the room, period. We are full. This is the last week of visitors, unless some people don't re-sign up. All right, what do we got in OSAT? We got a 15-minute somewhere. 1140 OSAT is the 15-minute. Let's try it. All right, we'll do it small. OSAT 1140. If it holds that, we can buy a little bit more too. 1140 OSAT, doing 100 shares. If it goes fast, I like it. Now, the way I found that, guys, is on our 15-minute trend, 1141. Boom. That's our 15-minute. So, again, everything we do is based on technical analysis. Yeah, Marin's still holding, but it doesn't know what it wants to do. Kind of just hanging out here. Apple. Apple backed off a little bit. Blinn. Blinn's going sideways. Intel. Intel's a better buy than sell. Apple's going sideways. Goldman Sachs. Wow. What do we like, Goldman? 372 for a little trade in Goldman? Gotta like that, right? All right, we'll try it. Goldman Sachs, very small, 372. That's almost a far from moving average trade, guys. That'll be $6 away from the moving average. So, about like 20 shares. And we can look far from moving average. If it holds it, we'll make a nice trade. That's fine. Of course, it just bounced a dollar. Yeah, I'm not getting crazy about OSAT now because it gave this little bounce here, right? So, I don't know. Yeah, we only got 20 shares, so we'll see what happens. All right, let's cancel OSAT. Give it some room to breathe. 1062 is a 30-minute in OSAT, which I really like. Who knows? It could be all over for this thing now. I don't know. Watch it. If it holds 1140, you can grab some. That's all I can say about that. Man, now Marin's bouncing, you piece of dog poo-poo. No biggie. If OSAT starts breaking from here, it could have a problem just like that other thing did. Yeah, I mean, we really never broke the 9 in Marin. It just had to get us back to break even, which I wasn't crazy about. Goldman Sachs, 371.28. Again, I'm only doing 20 shares, so I'm looking for a far from moving average trade. So I'll make it 2 shares. I mean, we'll make it 10 shares. That's all. But what do you got? 371.30. All right. We'll go with solid 371.30. Start, but it just bounced $1, so we ain't getting either of them. Apple, we're not getting a short. Cancel that. Look, it's a very quiet morning so far, but profitable one. Room did very, very well this morning. Much better than me, of course, as always. I hate you, Marin. And I hate you, Goldman. Just bounced $2. All right. Yip can Goldman. Marin was the only one that really held the trend nicely. OSAT, hold that 1140. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Yeah, it got to 1125. Just trade it, though, Larry. Right? Sell some 1170, 1180. Trade it, trade it, trade it. That's what we do. You know, so I have someone in my room that grabbed 2,000 shares there at 1140 and took 35 cents out of it. That's $700. Boom. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. You know, 40 cents in an $11 stock is a very good trade. Microsoft missed. Out of Blend for now. All right. Look, guys, we're starting to lose volume already, too, right? It's 10:04. This is what happens. Netflix, strong like bull. I mean, you know, you got a pivot coming up at 542. But there was zero volume in this until the last couple of minutes. We're going long Neo here, and we like plug. Let's look. Going long Neo here. I don't see it. So, again, I'll tell you why we wouldn't. And, again, I don't tell anybody what to do. Everybody trades their own thing and has their own methods. But there's nothing in here telling me to go long Neo. There was a little pivot point. But there's nothing going on. Again, I'm not telling anybody what to do. But we don't do anything unless our charts tell us to do it. Plug long? No. Not technically. You know, plugs, this whole move is like 20, 30 cents, so I don't see it. I got nothing there. Nothing. I got nothing. Goldman had a nice bounce. It didn't get to our level, so I didn't see any reason to buy it. It would have been nice if it got to our level. Trust me when I tell you guys, by being patient and disciplined and waiting for the trades to set up, it just puts the odds in your favor of the trades working. Now, again, I'm talking about day trade. You know, it's just a different animal. I don't see any reason to be long Neo. I'm not saying it can't go up, but I just don't see it. OSAP is done, guys. You had your little trade. I don't see anything till $10 that I like now, unless it can go sideways here and then break back out to the upside. That's the only way I would like OSAT now, Brenda. Okay. Gabish. Marin's pulling in again. I don't see it, though. How about Marin at, 1550 maybe, Marin? I don't know. We're slowing down to a dull roar in everything, right? That's for sure. That is for shizzle, my whizzle. How's the room doing today, guys? How is my private trading room doing? Green, 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 grass of home. Dana's killing it. Diane's green, TR's green, small green, slight green, green, green. Better than yesterday. Small green, $5,000. Very, very, very green. Amazing Dave. Pitiful green. All right. Everybody's green for the most part. Good. Excellent. All right, Ted. It's good, guys. Where do we like Marin is the question. 1550 or 1470? We got to try Marin at 1470, no? I think. Some green banana is good. Need some Academy. Yeah. Great quarterbacking, Dave. Love it. Let's go 1470 in Marin, guys. You know, if it holds the pivot here, 1550, it might be all right, but we're definitely doing 1470. So we're sitting right on the pivot now. You know, this is why you trade, too. You go in, you go out. You go in, you go out. AHPI halted. AHPI halted. Oh, man. Listen, it's a nice lottery ticket if you had it, right? Nothing we can do about it now. But nice. Blinn is probably coming in with the other ones. Yeah, again, you know, Blinn's hanging here. If it holds 9, maybe gives you a green bar. We can short. Yeah, you don't want to short a $5 stock. Trust me. That you don't want to do. Do we trust Blinn here at 870? All these things are like coming in pretty good now, right? All right. You know, if you like 870, you got to buy like 500 shares. See if you can get 30, 40 cents, 20, 30 cents out of it. OSAT. Yeah, a little pop in OSAT. Kind of held those levels. Marin bounced off the VWAP, it looks like. Kind of. Trying to hold it. What's the level in Blinn, guys? You're in it now. 870, all right. See what you get out of it. You closing your eyes? I'll buy a little with you. Let's see what happens. Bought a tiny bit of Blinn at 870. I'll give it like 15 cents. XLO ripping. Oh, I meant to buy 100 shares of Blinn. All right. I guess I'll sell a little at 880. But I bought too much. Sell a little at 880, 885. You go in that direction. Aaron? Yeah, I mean, 1470 is good in Marin. Let's leave it for a minute. Add a Blinn for a quick $1.50. There's nothing quick about it, but it worked. All right, sold a little at 880. Quick trade. Try to sell a little at 885. And 890. If we get the bounce. Roblex pop. Yeah, Roblex trying to get going here a little bit. You made some skins on Blend. All right, good. I'm trying to give it a minute or two here. Netflix, you got the short up there? Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look at Netflix, guys. I mean, it tickled our level to the penny and went down $2.50. Oh, my God. That is a move and a half. Sick. Yep, Bloom is off the rose and Blend. That's the name of that tune. Should have got out of all of it at 880, like everybody else did. Yeah, I don't like the Blendy now. Look for another level, but you got out of Blend, good. Yeah, that was the spot to get out. 821 is the next spot, so there's nothing here. Should have taken the $30. There's nothing here till 821 now. OSAT. Yeah, OSAT bounced, but nothing to do there. Delray. Baba trend trade. Yeah, Baba be good on a trend trade. I missed my stop at 870. Idiot. 821 is another spot in Blend, guys. I'll try a little bit there. 821. Seed? Ugh. Don't like seed at all. AHPI. Whoa. Oh, that's the one that was halted, AHPI? I cancel the Blend at 821. That ain't happening. Rates coming off, helping banks. All right. Wow, APHI. What's Marin doing? Still like Marin if we can get down there fast, guys. This pop down Marin would be nice. 1470. We are certainly losing volume, right? Long term is sucking wind today. Yeah, that's because the market's coming in a little bit. A little bit. Space popping. Yeah, space got above everything. Got down to that 3750 again. All right, Marin, do your thing. Let's go. Nah, we ain't getting Marin. Well, I wanted 1470 on that pop down right there. That's why. But we're not getting it. So, Fubo, nice move. Yeah, Fubo's setting up for a better trend trade, guys. Carve. Oops. Carver's another one that everybody got caught in, right? Yep. 17 is daily in Carve. Down from $42. Oy. Well, that could be a spot to buy it. Good TR. What do you want to do in Facebook, Sally? I know you're watching it. What do you want to do? Let us know if you're going to jump in and grab it. Cancel Marin for now. That ain't happening. Facebook, you're buying here small. 352.40. You think we're going to get going here? All right, let's buy a little with Sally here, see if we get going. You're going to have a stop, Sally, or you're going to add? Trying to Momo trade in Facebook. Got to get above 353 really to get going. 350, 120 stop. All righty. Man, does Benzinga even know what they are doing? With what? What are you talking about? Look for those 35 puts in AMC. I like that. What are you saying about Benzinga not knowing what they're doing? Apple. You would short it, Facebook? Okay. Well, we can have a break-even stop in Facebook now. We'll try to sell a little bit at 80. 352.80. So we're in at 40. That's our break-even stop. We'll try to get 40 cents out of the first lot, which we just did. Boom. Yeah, we need over that 353 level to really go. But we took 40 cents out of some already. A little order at 353.01. If we can get this going up again in Facebook. You guys got out of Facebook already? It took 30, 40 cents. Yeah, we need a little more Momo. Diana, you got out? All right. We have a break-even stop now, worst case scenario. Marin's not doing anything. If we get over 353, this can go a little bit. Facebook. I sold my left Alpha at 17. Where would you buy it back? Alpha. Whoa. Holy crap. I don't know about Alf. I don't see anything really. Maybe 11 you can start a little. Alf. Maybe. No, I don't want to short Apple. Apple's strong like bull. Why would we want to short Apple? And it's taking forever to get there. So, no, thank you. MDIA popping. I cancel the sale and Facebook for now. Yeah, a little pop in MDIA. Can't short MDIA. OSAT. OSAT's dead now. Look, we just lost a lot of volume in everything, guys. There's just no volume in anything. Yeah, there's nothing happening. You gonna short Apple? All right, be careful. Be careful with the Apple. The spiders look like they want to keep going up, right? It's amazing. The market never goes down. Literally. It just doesn't go down. Ever. Stocks only go up. Stonks only go up. All right. Going to give them another 25 shares of Facebook up here, guys. 90. Fubo. The Fubo was strong. The whole thing's only a 50-cent move in Fubo, though. Apple could pull back at least here. It could. I mean, but it didn't even get to the level, so. Well, look, we're losing volume in every single stock right now, guys and gals. That's the bottom line. How much money do you need to trade options successfully? Well, a lot less to trade options than you would trading stocks, Diego. Again, you just got to learn how to do it, but definitely a lot less. Yep, JD just spiked up. Talk about breaking out of a base. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Right? Above 76. Yeah, and you can lose it a lot quicker in options also. Yes, that's true. That is true. AHPI halted again. Wow. Wackadoodle. A little Facebook out at 352, 353.13. $353.13. Great trade, Solomon, by the way, in Facebook. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Guys still have a little Facebook? See if we get a bounce from here. You took 50 cents in Facebook. Good. Well, 353.13 was such low quality nowadays, Benzinga. I loved you at one time, but you're just one big snooze. No better than CNN. Come on, get back to what make you great. No, Ryan, no one's forcing you to stay here, right? To each his own, ladies and gentlemen. That's what makes horse races. Take my profit because we get to 353.41 in Facebook. $1. The lack of info is astounding. Really. Well, we're sitting here trading the markets live every single day. And everybody in my room and everybody in Benzinga has done nothing but make money since we're here. So, no complaints. It's okay, guys and gals. You know we don't care. And someone just gave us $1 trade in Facebook. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. You're going to go many places and make $1 in a trade in about 4 minutes. Posted live right in front of everybody. What's Marin doing? Marin's dead. The whole market's dead now, guys. Well, there's trolls everywhere, guys and gals. Took $1 off Labu. They got nothing better to do at that time. Losers. Great job in Facebook, Sal. I took my profits. Took $1 on the last little one. Kevin, I'm going to invite everybody to the room this week. In a little bit. We'll talk about it, all right? Sydney's making $1,000 an hour, $1,000 a day every hour trading with me. Every day. There you go. $1,000 a day for Sydney. You know, what I do trading wise doesn't mean anything, guys. I miss 90% of the trades. I'm here to teach people how to trade. I miss most of the trades because I'm advising everybody in the room what to do. But this has been a great day in the room again. Again. Like I said, guys, you're always going to have trolls. It be what it be. Garcia had a great day. Sydney is going to join us. 100%. This is what happens every single day during the summer, guys. It's freaking 10:15. If you have 25 grand in your account, you can do all the trades all day, every day. Yes. And by the way, guys, yesterday ended up being a spectacular day for us after we got caught in space on a halt. I made $600 yesterday. And I never do that. Yeah, yesterday was spectacular. I don't even think I like that anymore down there. I mean, Solomon just nailed Facebook, guys. What a great call. Look at this thing. Boom. So the reason we did this trade and why Solomon pointed it out is a momentum trade. Look at this, guys and girls. It pushed against our 200 once, twice, 3 times. Third time it got above the 200 EMA. Boom, straight up $1.50. It's perfect. Yeah, I'm not crazy about the Apple short. It's just going so slow here. It's not a short now. It's definitely not a short now. Yep. No, why would we Facebook? Why would you short Facebook? 355.11 will short Facebook, and that's where you can get out of all your stock. That is our next resistance. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. You don't short a stock just because it's up a lot, guys. You short a stock when it hits a technical level telling us to short it. Okay? That's the bottom line. AHPI. Look, if you think AHPI is real, just buy some and add to it when it goes down. Those aren't the kind of stocks I like doing, but yeah, what they did yesterday in space is ridiculous. Just insane. They could very easily have announced that at 8 o'clock in the morning before the market opened or 7:30 or whatever. For them to do it during the day when the stock is trading is just irresponsible. I'm going to look at AMC puts right now. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see what we got going on. Probably going to be expensive this week. Yeah, they are. So let's look at the chart, guys and gals. All right. 35.80 is the next support. I think we see that easy. That's 36. That's daily. Weekly, we have 34.30. So 36 and 34 are my next targets in AMC, which, by the way, we have not liked since it broke $54. So 36 options are expensive. They're $1.20 for the rest of the week. And 34 is 78 cents. But it's a lot better, to buy the put than it is to short the stock. Because short the stock, your losses are unlimited. But if you buy the put, 34 put, and it starts going down from here, you can make some money for the rest of the week. Problem is it's already Tuesday. If you day trade a lot, does the IRS consider that as your occupation? No, you can never get trade taxed more than ordinary income, Tom, no matter what you do. No. And if you're going to really day trade for a living, you incorporate yourself, and there's a crap load of stuff that you can write off. Like a crap load. Yeah, like I said, guys, if you like this AHPI, you got to buy a little, buy if it goes down, and just stay with it. It's what you got to do if you like it. Facebook, again, this just traded down to 353.11, but almost a $2 trade from where Sally got us in now. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Yeah, and the thing about being incorporated is that, God forbid, you lose money. You write it off penny for penny until you make it back. Yes, you can write off Benzinga Pro. You can write off our video course. You can write off my room fee every month. Yes. Write all that off. Education. All right. Do we like the space short is the question at 41.30. That is the question. Well, doesn't CCIV have some kind of call today? Rich, you like it short? All right, I like it short too. Let's short a little space, 41.33. Again, everything we're doing, there's a rhyme and a reason, right? I'll explain to you guys why we're shorting space at 41.30. 41.32. We have a 200 EMA, which is a resistance level. The stock will have just gone basically up $2. And the odds are, if we hit this level, the next move is going to be down, not continue up. So everything we do is about putting the odds in our favor. That's it. Yes, I would be out of Facebook and short at 355.11. Sally said this can get to 355, so there you go. Enjoy the ride. CCIV. Sometimes in CCIV, it's also buy the rumor, sell the news, Stock is kind of sitting, not doing anything right now. Yes. So now you got to wait. August 20th calls, 30s. Yeah. If you're in the money, you got to, start taking some profits. In Baba on the trend. Yes, I am trying to short space at 41.30 if it does it right now. We always want things to go fast, and I don't want it to get close and miss me like this just did. So I'll give it like one more minute, and then we'll look for another level. Because if something comes close, oh, there we go, 41.74. Guys, let's go up a little. 41.74. That is our 30-minute. Just came close, so let's go up a little. Yeah, 41.74 is a 30-minute. We just missed it, so. Space may be long if above the 200. I can't do it, Solomon. I can't do it. It's against my religion. Sometimes it's not available. If it's not available for you to short it, then you can't do it. I think space can go higher too, Jake, because I think we bottomed out this morning twice at daily and weekly levels. Again, I was just doing it for a trade. You know, look, if we just got 41.30, guys, we would have pulled 50 cents out of the trade. Right? So, now cancel. Do you have a price target for the day? How do you know when you personally are done trading? Good question, Tim. That's one of the things I talk about most is money management, because that's what this game is all about. Good question. Yeah, you can try OSAT at 1040, guys, if it doesn't halt when it gets there, right? But, Tim, that is what trading's all about, money management. So, depending on the amount of shares you trade, everybody has a target. I want them to have a target as to how much they'd like to average every day. And then we have certain rules when you hit that target, what to do. Number one rule being leave. The best thing about doing what we do is that our time is our own. And if you can get out of here by 10:30 or 11 o'clock and go enjoy the rest of your life, that's what you do. Guys, we got to try a little OSAT at 1050, no? I think we got to try that. I think we get a bounce up there. 1045. Losing my religion. If we go fast. So I always want people to, when they hit their goal or get close to it, to just leave. All right. I can't say it anymore. I told you guys, if you like AHPI, to just buy some and keep buying it if it goes down. Yeah, and usually, Tim, by 11 o'clock, the market's done anyway. Usually. Well, look, when you get a little more experienced with this stuff, it starts to become second nature, and you got to take the emotion out of it. Even when we got caught in space in a trading halt yesterday, there's nothing you can do about that. That's the inherent risk of trading. We've made that all back and then some since it happened and today. That's such a hard trade for me, Solly, but it worked in Facebook, I would not short space, let's put it that way. It is probably a better buy here. I mean, we got nothing but room. You want to grab a little, Solly? You want to try it? We'll try it with you if you like it. What do you think? Let it really get above? I'd like to see it take a little longer. No difference, Dan. Really. Guys going to grab a little space here for a Momo trade? All right, grab it. Yeah, we're grabbing a little space long. Do it small. I have been trading for almost 20 years and still fall in love with stocks. I know. You got to be careful with that, right? To me, everything's just a trade. I have things I like long term, but everything's just a trade. To me. Yeah, I'm with you, Rick. I'm not crazy about buying space up here. It worked in Facebook very well. I don't know if it's going to work in space. I mean, it's got to a short, really. You know, either it's going to go or it's not. So I'll have like a 41.30 stop. We'll risk a couple of pennies. If it can bust through 50, it's all right. Let's see what happens. Well, it was kind of the same. No, it was different, Facebook. Facebook pushed against there 4 times before it went up. You're right, Rick. You're right. You are 100% right. And you were right. It was just nothing but resistance. 100%. Yeah, we wait now. I don't like it. That was a short. Well, it didn't test it enough, guys. That's the problem. Marin, let me look at OSAT. It wasn't a good setup. It gets back to like 25.30. Just get out. All right. I still like OSAT, guys. If we do it right now at 10:45. Let's give it a minute. Marin. I don't know. Marin's going down $1 to hit here, but I don't like it. I am in OSAT at 11. All right, we should be out of space. That was not a good trade. It just was a short, which we should have done to begin with. My Baba trend trade failed. Not a good trade either. All right. Where's OSAT? Again, one OSAT on this pop down, guys. 10:45. We'll see if OSAT holds here. If we get it right now, do it. I mean, we're down $1.50 here in OSAT. You know, same thing. We'll give it like 30 cents if we get 10:45. Yeah, space was a short. I'm with you guys. No question about it. That was my initial instinct. Was to short it there for a 30-cent trade. Now, if it pushes up it a couple of times, it would be a better buy. But first time up, absolutely not. That was against my religion, and I did it. OSAT. Yeah, you stink, OSAT. That was the spot. You bought a little here? Yeah, let's give it another minute. But that would have been beautiful. I wouldn't give up on space for the day either. But now it's got to consolidate and do its thing. So, see what happens. Yeah, we missed OSAT, guys. Cancel that. That would have been beautiful. No, I didn't get it either, Rick. It didn't get to 10:45. So now if space gets there, you know, let it go sideways a little bit. OSAT would have been gorgeous for a nice trade. Didn't quite get there. Missed it by 7 cents. Marin's dead. You're in at 11 and the lower didn't fill. Well, if it gets back to 11 or higher, try to sell a little bit. That's all. So you guys shorted space. Good. You're out though, right, guys? You just made a trade from 41.30 down to 40.80, right? That was just a trade. Yes. All right, Rich, get out of here. Fine. You followed the rules. You did the right thing. Bye. Yep. So one of my guys in the room hit his goal for the day, gave back 20%, and now he's leaving. Well, I'll tell you, in space, just be careful, okay, if you're holding short. All right, even if it's small. Just look, if it gets above this level again, it's got room to go higher. So, yeah, I want it to push against the level 3, 4, 5 times before it bursts out. All right, so the timing was just wrong. It's got to sit here for a little bit. The stock is a better buy than sell, in my opinion. OSAT, you stink. You can kiss my tuchus. SE for a buy. SE is definitely a better buy. Far from moving average in UPWK. UPWK. It certainly is. Well, it just hit a level at 64.80. I don't know what that stock is, but. All right, so Don, you sell a little OSAT at break even at 11. SGOC is one ugly stock. Tom. A lot of people got caught in this one and got their butts handed to them. Freaking thing traded at 29 yesterday. I guarantee people are still stuck in this. Guaranteed. Not good. Overstock 100. It's been a beautiful trend trade all day, Oliver. Just didn't give a pullback. Bitcoin's bouncing a little bit. Again, Bitcoin's been dead. Just horrible. AHPI. Again, we mentioned this 6 times. If you like AHPI, just be long. Period. Guys and gals, there's no volume in anything. This market is dead. I want him dead. Dead. CPNG. Another one that just broke up without a base. I'm short Upwork. UPWK. All right. Well, 64 was a spot. 64 was a spot. Don, that takes the longest time. So that takes the longest time to get good at, Don. Just get the trades, do the trades. Nice job in space, guys. Do the trades. Your execution will get better. The templates will help with that, yes. Putting in bracket orders. Yeah, Ken, you want to do bracket orders for everyone today? Well, you shouldn't be losing money. OSAT, yeah, all right. Bouncing a little bit. I know, it had to go to 1080 first. You talking to me, Hector? You talking to me? You talking to me? Well, Apple held the little 9. You talking to me? CRTD. Well, Jim, we can't do anything about the long term, right? I don't know, Ken or Roman. You guys here, and would you mind doing bracket orders and stuff when we take lunch today? Teaching everybody about bracket orders. Roman, that work for you? 500 people and less than 100 likes. I'm not inviting everyone into the room unless we get 200 likes. Not inviting anyone into the room. All right, so we'll do bracket orders at lunch. Either Ken or Roman will do it. Yeah, I think Ken's better at it too. Ken, you okay with that during lunch? So what we'll do, guys, and especially anybody, yeah, okay, whatever works for you. I'm going to invite everybody into the room before we get out of here. And we'll hang out the rest of the week, and we'll show people how to do bracket orders. I know, Alan, you're already here. We'll show people how to do bracket orders, and we'll talk about a bunch of stuff between now and the end of the day. I will tell everybody. Yep, you're all going to be invited into the room before we leave. Yes, yes, yes. Remind me in case I forget. And we'll hang out all day. Hopefully we'll get more trades. UPWK. Yeah, I mean, it was just short for a little trade. It worked. Boom, chaka-laka laka. I mean, it hit our pivot point and gave $1. Yeah, that's weird that all these PayPals and SQs and overstocks are so strong. No, if we don't get 200 likes, we're not doing it. No. Yeah, I mean, again, so Space is trying again here, right? This is the second time. One of these times it's going to keep going, and we got room on the upside. The problem also now, guys and girls, is there's no volume. Right? But it is definitely looking like a better buy now in Space. You know, Solomon didn't have a stop order. I guarantee he's still in it. We do swing trades, Michael, and options trades. Yes. Our swing trades are about 95% for the year, and our options trades are damn close. Yes, yes, yes. And we teach it all. 183 likes. Uh-oh. We need 17 more, guys. Gary, you're still in Space? I kind of like it. The more it consolidates up here, Space, with a little volume, the more I like it. You know what I want to look at? Yeah, they're expensive. I was going to say 45 calls, but they're $1.22 expiring in 3 days. That's expensive. But that's telling you that the stock can get going here a little bit. We'll see. 190. Got some UVXY for a swing play for the rest of the week. Yeah, the thing with UVXY is you can only hold that for a trade. It is not a long term. This is going back to zero like it always does. But if you think we're getting a pullback in the market, it's good to have a little bit for, you know, a few days, maybe a week. I didn't even realize it got down to $26. Wow. I mean, this reverse split at 40 and it's all the way back down to 26 again. So there you go. That just tells you how bad it is. But if you think the market's going to come in at some point, you can have a little bit. I'm not ready yet. I think the spiders can go to 440. Then maybe we'll start a little bit. We're not that stretched yet again. So 440 or so in spiders, I think we'll do a little bit. Maybe. What does it mean when a stock has been initiated? It means that some idiot at a brokerage firm thinks it's either a buy or a sell. And 99% of the time, they're wrong. All right, guys, so here it is, because we got about 4 minutes left. Greenroom-live.com. Greenroom-live.com. Hit the Zoom button, and you'll be in our room. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. There we go. Greenroom-live.com. We talk about crypto in our course. So once we finish here, guys, we're going to take a little break in the morning. We usually take a 15-minute break. Then we'll come back. We'll talk to everybody, ask the questions that anybody has. Trading day is probably over. Who knows? Hopefully we'll get something else. You can buy our course at Wall Street Global Trading Academy. You can join our Facebook group at Facebook. That doesn't cost anything. But greenroom-live.com. Come on in. Anybody who wants. You can start coming in now if you want. And the last thing I'll mention here is Benzinga, 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 Benzinga. Okay? Everybody in this room and most of my traders use Benzinga Pro. The scans are the best in the world. Just spectacular. The news is top notch. Yeah, Sid, I couldn't be able to trade without that. So everybody here, you get a free trial to Benzinga for 2 weeks. Let's make sure we get that up happy, the Benzinga link. Yes. How long we can hang out in the room? The rest of the week, Toner. All right, so you come in today, you can hang out all day Tuesday, all day Wednesday, all day Thursday, all day Friday. All right? You can start coming in now. Again, Space, it's the 4th time now. Free 2-week trial at Benzinga, no credit card. Boom. You guys are silly if you don't do that. I'll tell you that right now. All right? It's crazy not to do that. Benzinga Pro and Nick Chayman, who is sending laptops to subscribers. Good. Excellent. Zella. Yeah, God, these little things. Here's my advice, guys, to everybody who is watching these things do what they're doing. You can grab a few shares of stock and just hold on to it. Right? We talked about it in the AHID or whatever it is. ACY. I don't see much there. All right. So just 20 some odd people just came into the room. Good. Excellent. Excellent. OSAT at 988. Why are you still here, Lou? Didn't you hit your goal like 9 times over? All right, you can try a little OSAT at 990, yes. But the lower this goes, the less you're going to get out of it, Lou. You know? So, be careful. It's just not going to set up for as much money the lower it goes. Marin's dead. Facebook had a nice pullback, almost to where we bought it, right? 350, 260. Yeah, get out of here. This day is done.
How we doing, David?
Excellente. Excellente.
Man, Facebook's been really strong over the past few months.
Yeah, it has. I mean, you know, it had one dipsy doodle on a daily chart, but if we go weekly, look at that. That's been spectacular.
Wow.
I mean, a breakout from 270, you know, we're up 30% in, well, a few months, but that's a beautiful looking chart.
Yeah.
Weekly.
I like it long term too. I mean, I want to wait for a little dip to get in, but at this point, you know, I remember when we were hitting all-time highs at 315, 320, and now we're at 350, and it looks like it's not turning back.
It's not stretched. I can tell you that yet. It still has a little bit of room on the upside. So, I mean, Apple was one that got a little, you know, I love Apple. I've loved Apple for 40 years. But this is getting a little stretched on the weekly chart now. You know, we're up.
Can you remind me, because earlier today I saw you had this sell order in for Apple. What'd you get in at today?
Well, we were trying to short it if it went up to a certain price, but it never
okay. So you didn't buy any shares. You were just going in to sell them at
147.20. We wanted to short it a little bit,
and it never got all the way up there.
Never got all the way up there. No, but I am selling some of my long-term stock now. I just think you have to. It's getting so stretched out, and we have earnings coming up.
The overall market, you're saying? Or you're saying Apple?
I'm saying Apple. Yeah, you know, okay. I'm in it for a long, long time, but I'm gonna sell a little before the earnings come out. And then, you know what? Hope that we get a dipsy doodle to buy back. If it keeps going up, it's fine. We still have a shitload of it anyway. So
Yeah, I mean, we've seen that happen a couple of recent times with Apple, where they report great earnings and the stock drops afterwards.
that's right. So we can go back to the last like 3 earnings. Here it was November. The stock gave a $20 dip. Here the earnings came out and it gave a big dip. Here the earnings came out and it gave a big dip. So the last 3 times earnings came out, the stock has, had significant pullbacks. This is 140 to 119. So
and those are on good earnings too.
On spectacular earnings, they never have anything but spectacular earnings. That's the thing. It just, I think we're getting a little ahead of ourselves now. So we take a little profits and look for pullbacks to get back in. That's all.
Yeah. All right, David. Well, thank you for trading with us this morning. Zinger Nation out there, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Smash the like for David. Nowhere else will you find a trader with this much experience, showing you what he's doing at the open. So fantastic trading here. And yeah, David, we'll be back tomorrow morning.
Yes, we will. All right, Beautiful. My Benzinga people, I'll see you, those who are coming in the room. Do not forget to sign up for Benzinga Pro for that 2-week trial. If you don't, it's just a tool you have to have with trading. All right, Aaron. See everybody in the morning.
Boom, David. All right, have a good rest of your day.
Over and out.